This is a metro service to Beachley.
Platform 4 for the 0454 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. Calling at Elsemere Junction, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East and Stepford Central. Due to a short platform, passengers for Elsemere Junction should travel in the front 6 coaches. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform A for the 0459 Metro service to Greenslade. Calling at Denton Road and Greenslade.
Berrily.
This train is formed of 6 coaches.
Central. The next station is Elsemere Junction.
This train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform 3 for the 0456 Stepford Connect service to Leighton West.
Berrily.
Calling at Morgantown, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City and Leighton West. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 5 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Platform A for the 0501 Metro service to Whitney Green. Calling at Denton Road, Greenslade, Robinson Way and Whitney Green. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform B for the 0506 Metro service to Stepford Victoria via Barton.
This station is
Barton,
Berrily.
Coxley Newtown.
This train
Bowden,
is station
Angel
is
Pass,
Stepford
St
Victoria.
Helens Bridge.
This
Hatch
train
Station
is for
Stepford
Barton,
East,
Whitney Green.
Fourways, Stepford
The next
Central,
station will be
City Hospital,
Denton Road.
Financial Quarter and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
We are now approaching Denton Road. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is a metro service to Whitney Green.
Morgantown, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Millcastle, West Wyvern, North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 6 coaches. The 0507 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
This is Berrily. Welcome aboard this Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea.
Platform 4 for the 0507 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. Calling at Elsemere Junction, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East and Stepford Central. Due to a short platform, passengers for Elsemere Junction should travel in the front 6 coaches. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform 3 for the 0507 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Morgantown, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Millcastle,
This is
West Wyvern.
Berrily. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Lynn by...
This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform B for the 0510 Metro service to Stepford Bay via Barton.
Station is
Calling at
Berrily.
your attention, please. The 0529 Metro service to Greenslade has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The 0511 Metro service
This is a Metro
to
service
Whitney
to
Green is delayed
Stepford
by
Bay.
approximately